How to check app security on your iPhone 8 Plus. This allows you to review what permissions your apps have and make sure your personal information stays protected. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Here, you'll see different permission categories, such as location services, contacts, photos, camera, microphone, Bluetooth, and more. Tap any category to see which apps have access to that permission. For example, tap Location Services. You'll see a list of apps that can access your location. Tap any app to change its permission. You can choose options like Never, Ask Next Time, or While using the app, depending on the app and your iOS version. Go back and review other permission categories, such as Camera and Microphone. If you find an app that doesn't need a particular permission, simply turn its access off. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to check app security and review app permissions on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.